Not Now, Bernard, written by David McKee, read aloud by Múinteoir Eileen. "Hello, Dad," said Bernard.
"Not now, Bernard,"
said his father. "Hello, Mum," said Bernard. "Not now, Bernard," said his mother.
"There's a monster in the garden and it's going to eat me," said Bernard. "Not now, Bernard," said his mother. Bernard went into the garden. "Hello, monster," he said to the monster. The monster ate Bernard up every bit. Then the monster went indoors. "Rawr!" went the monster behind Bernard's mother. "Not now, Bernard," said Bernard's mother. The monster bit Bernard's father. "Not now, Bernard," said Bernard's father. "Your dinner's ready," said Bernard's mother. She put the dinner in front of the television. The monster ate the dinner. Then it watched the television. Then it read one of Bernard's comics and broke one of his toys. "Go to bed, I've taken up your milk," called Bernard's mother. The monster went upstairs. "But I'm a monster," said the monster. "Not now, Bernard," said Bernard's mother.